It's too cold.
It's
Too
cold.
It's far too cold.
I can see my breath and I'm not even smoking.
But here's me sitting outside just 'cause it's cold. And like, brace the warm winter.
Warm winter.
The warm winter.
You mean the winter where I freeze my balls off?
So, just logged a huge monitor about all over. Cross country.
And in retrospect, it was like 100 meters or something.
Cross country, but in retrospect, it was like not that far.
From the college
To the back of the college, and it felt like we'd done a cross country run. It was so much fun, and and we're so fit. We're not, but and it's freezing cold, and I'm freezing my
balls
boobs off. I'm waiting for a bus, and this is what we do to wait for buses. We sit at a park and we vlog because reasons.
Because you don't need to know why.
Because you don't need. You don't
You just
need.
like to know.
You don't need to know. And there's like.
Oh my god, there's a bus.
People, and there's a bus. Don't know where it is. There's a bus up there somewhere. It's not my bus, I don't think. But in case it is, let's sum up this vlog just now because buses are showing up. So, carried a computer across the country, but in respect was like 10 yards. Not that. How much was it? Like,
I don't know, like 100 meters.
Like 100 meters or something. And we've sat here jabbered shit because that's what we do when we wait for buses. So what are you doing? What are you doing with the computer? How are you gonna get to places?
I need to go set it up because my mom's gonna use it until I get my own place, and that's pretty much it.
But what are you gonna do for a computer?
I'm gonna have to go there to use it.
Oh, that's deep.
That's so deep.
Oh my god. Only one bus. We're fine. I don't even think it's my bus. Can you read that?
It's got like a 2 on it.
Oh, it's got a 2. It's not mine. Shit cold. It's so cold. I don't know. It's like, it was fine. In October, it was fine. And then it got like... Then it turned November, then...
And then it's just freezing your balls off all the time.
Indeed. My arm's starting to get tired from holding this phone up. We'll do it down here.
Crotch vlog.
Crotch vlog. It's Guy Fawkes night, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy Guy Fawkes night.
We'll be posting videos of fireworks.
There were videos of fireworks posted by Amber over
The
there.
lesbian.
The big lesbian. And I don't know. It depends on the fireworks around where I am. I'll probably do a vlog for that. Oh, there's another bus. I should probably start walking over there. Probably. Okay, so fireworks, Happy Guy Fawkes night, blah blah blah, logging computers around the world, lesbians.
Hello.
So that's it. Yeah, and it's cold. So cold. So cold. So cold. So much cold.